Brace your body. DeRozan sees an opening, drives and throws it down! DeMar DeRozan with the slam!
DeRozan sees him.
And Luke got time. DeMar after him, got it away from Darius, and finds Kobe. Goes the hole with one hand. Kobe elevating.
And the foul.
Well, how serious was that?
And the foul.
Kobe
to Reggie Williams.
And he was open. Let him go.
Stoudemire. The hammer and the foul. Huge.
and then get in the basketball, because a lot of good things will happen, not just within scoring, but then also it open up.
Oh, man!
Hello. Boy left wide open. Griffin, oh, wow! Incredible rebound putback.
Oh, you can't give a delay a game on that. That guy should be able.
Butler now in the wing. Calls for the screen. Two-man game. Blake Griffin explodes on Gasol. It's a physical game. Oh, my! A monster jam by Blake Griffin. Oh, what?
Jermaine O'Neal got a piece of it. Wade. Oh, a facial. Yes, and the foul.
Good defense. Lead pass.
Oh, stop it! Stop it! Do not do him like that! What are you doing, Dragon?
Actually, what's this ball? Watch.
I want to go higher! Oh, my goodness! Dragons! Nice fake by James. Oh, he stuffs! LeBron James puts it down. 16 seconds left. LeBron drives in. Oh, my! A ferocious slam on Millsap.
And a different way to score coming off baseline swing.
Oh, he does it again. Throws it right up to the rim. James comes flying in from the right.
Kick out to Williams. They're going to have to move it on the perimeter. Instead of swinging, Xavier goes down the middle. Slam dunk. Well, tried to take the charge, but he was too far.
To the hoop. Nelson escaping Holiday. The lob for Howard. Oh, man. Good
Play that has us going into this OT. And goes to Howard, and he throws it down and a foul. A power play from Howard and a chance for a three-point play.
Oh, Cousins. What the story? Wow.
I'll tell you what, that Mason Plumlee's just trying to get his bearings back after that.
They better check the air pressure in the ball.
Woo. Major dunk.
Try against Taj. And then,
Oh, my goodness.
Let's see how it's affecting Tony Parker.
J.R. Smith! We just saw men fly! Right on Cowboy! Smith against LeBron. Oh, slid right by him and throws down the hammer!
Get out, Michael, get it forward to the fresh shot clock. MJ. Oh,
he did it! Michael shakes the finger, but he finally got his dunk on Mount Matumbo.
He never dunked on you. He never put.
Jordan trying to shake off Starks. Oh, a move by Jordan! It counts! He leads the team in blocks in the playoffs. Great passing. Holy cow! Now right there, a lot was said. And Scottie Pippen just went over.
Left side, works on Hardaway to the baseline. Slapped away from behind. Ricky goes back to get it. Fires across court. Ken's got it right up into the alley.
He's going to be stolen by the doctor. Yes, he's got it. Here he comes. Way rocks the baby to sleep and slam dunk. And the doctor made a sensational play.
29. Here's Iverson. Lou the defender. Stays right with him. Allen wants to go. Wants the baseline. Fade away. Yes.
He's way too good. He steps around Lou and drilled it. And the Sixers have scored 9 in a row.
7 straight points by Iverson. Looked like he was dead in the water. The Sixers by 4. 40 seconds left.
So you don't know what Harden's going to do. Will he pull up and shoot the three? He did that right before the half. Or he could drive on it.
He's like an athletic, long 2-3, 3-2 type of guy to defend other teams' small forwards.
Going to work on Brandon.
But back without Serge Ibaka. Here's Westbrook. Oh, with a vicious slam in the face of.
Matches the 76ers lead at 32-17. Westbrook racing. Westbrook elevating the two-handed. 18 and 12. 5 assists, 2 steals. Westbrook up high. Oh my moment.
Amazing.
Westbrook to forecourt.
Dynamite drive and dunk for
Plans from the very beginning. Fell asleep there. Brown gives it up. And down up there.
He used to do that all the time in Michigan State. The crowd just oohing and awing about that defensive play.
Smile.
Well, great looking play. When you get to look at it, you'll be impressed, okay?
Thank you.
All right, there's Shannon Brown, guys. First.
The rebound taken by James. LeBron James all the way in. Blocked by Embiid.
4 to shoot. Parker, spread the need. Oh, what a block from James! Throws it back at Splitter, who is ready to dunk. And here, one of the great blocks you will ever see. Splitter one.
Dellavedova looking for James. LeBron James bringing the heat.
Ooh. And Matthew Dellavedova, the entire time he knew he was going to.
That's LeBron James with authority, and they're standing here in Miami.
Jason Terry, good defense. Wade from behind takes it away. Chalmers, pull, James! Whoa!
Bryant goes to work. Bryant the drive. Oh! Kobe Bryant on a rack attack. Oh! You can drop the sledgehammer anytime you want.
Gives it to Fareed. Swatted away by Amir Johnson. 8 seconds. Terrence Ross going right at Kenneth Fareed with the throwdown. You see him play to the middle for the rebound. It didn't get to him, but he knows how this league works. So does that guy. My goodness gracious.
It makes it easier for a defense, correct?
Defensive back.
Excuse me.
Here comes George, got the step and stuffs one move and counts on the foul. He beat LeBron James with that quick step.
And they blindsided from the right corner for 2 dunks for Durant.
Oh, Wade, what a play!
Wow.
Oh, wow! Hill delivering to. Oh! And the foul!
Even Shaq, look. Even Shaq talking to the crowd. He knew that. Look at the East bench. The East bench is up there. Acknowledging.
Williams passed out of 3, shoots the 2. Oh, and Shaquille O'Neal.
Zach LaVine.
Part of our youth. Queso, nice give up. Ball swing. Here comes Green. Sees a lane.
He shut the Washington Monument. 48-43.
Good change of direction.
Look at that. He throws it down.
Oh, Larry Nance can have.
Here's Shaq. Against Dudley. Nice. Shaquille O'Neal was so powerful on that move that Dudley could not even foul, and he just got overpowered.
Westbrook, the crossover drive, and throws it down.
There it is, that nuclear athleticism from Russell Westbrook.
And how about he looks at Kevin Durant and says, don't jump.
James drives hard and throws it down.
Here comes Chris Paul. The lob. The jam! Oh, what a monster jam by DeAndre Jordan!
Grant
Kind of stole that pass away from Raymond. Felt. The rim is crying. Come on, man.
Kevin Durant and the Warriors up by 6. Taken away by the Lakers. Here they come. It's 4-on-2. KCP in the middle. Bounce. Larry Nance. Look at Larry Nance. Throw that baby down.